Ever wondered how to land a high-paying job quickly? In the next few seconds, you'll discover urgent job openings you can't miss. First, we have an HR manager role with a salary of $60K in Mathura within the manufacturing industry. Next, there's a 10 lakh per annum QMS head position in Kundli, specializing in the oil seal and plastic industry. If you're aiming higher, the plant head role offers 25 lakh in Kundli's fan industry. Are you into footwear? A negotiable salary awaits a merchandiser in North Delhi. Food enthusiasts, a Commie 2 chef position is open in Sonipat with a 40K salary. Exciting opportunity for an EA to MD role at a leading MNC in Kundli, offering a competitive salary of Rs 75K. Next, cost accountant. Salary, 50K. Location, Greater Noida. Industry, electrical. Urgent require fresher ITI, Diploma/B.Tech location, Kundli, Sonipat. Industry, manufacturing. Lastly, there is a marketing executive role in Rohini offering 25K. Interested candidate, please share resume on email hr@amcc.in or WhatsApp on 7011803312.